I've just had this leaflet delivered, you see, and I was looking at it and I thought, wow, an alternative to Plaid Cymru, the far extreme left-wing bigots that weaponise the Welsh language. And I thought, wow, I'll give this number a ring. And I thought, wow, brilliant. Somebody standing for the Senedd election. But unfortunately, I find out just quickly that this individual is in fact an existing member of Parliament. So I'm thinking, well, why is it there's nothing on here about Plaid Cymru? Are Plaid Cymru now running scared of people who can't stand Plaid Cymru? No, I'm not Reform, right? I'm definitely not Reform. I'm with Propel, moving Cymru forward, the alternative to Plaid Cymru. There's another alternative to Plaid Cymru as well. We're also with existing councillors, which is called Gwlad. But the fact of the matter is, I'm absolutely amazed that Plaid Cymru are now ashamed to put Plaid Cymru on their leaflets. You can see it. Spot Wally. There she is in the photograph. Spot Wally. Find Plaid Cymru on you. So this far extremist, right, party, far left extremist, Plaid Cymru that weaponises the language of siarad Cymraeg, yeah, is actually ashamed to mention Plaid Cymru. The thing is, you see, Ceredigion and Carmarthen are two areas where most of the parish and town councils are dominated by Plaid Cymru. They dominate the councils. They've got Senedd members and parliamentary members. And what have Plaid Cymru done for West Wales? Nothing. They've allowed it to be a sham. Don't vote for these people who are ashamed to call themselves Plaid Cymru now. Don't vote for them. These are the bottom of the barrel.